Yo guys, what is up? In this tutorial I'll explain to you how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. But before we get into the video, please like and subscribe, it would really help me out. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is tap on your Bitmoji on the top, go to settings and make sure that where is it? Who can contact me is set to everyone. View my story, everyone, and see my location. You can leave that, and see me in quick add, turn that on. Now go back to your profile and you're gonna want to tap on add to snap map on these 3 points, and there should pop up a section where it says create public profile. For me it doesn't work. I don't know, I don't exactly know why, but for you it should work. So just tap under spotlight and snap map on add to snap map, and there should be a button where it says create public profile. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.